Hello friends, today I'll provide some basic facts on dietary fats.
Welcome to Real Food, Real Medicine, where Chef DrMargie empowers you to better health through real food, to your health and wealth.
There are 4 major dietary fats: saturated, polyunsaturated, monounsaturated, and trans fats. Most saturated fats are solid at room temperature, while poly and monounsaturated fats tend to be liquid. Saturated fats are less healthy and should make up no more than 6% of total daily calorie intake. Fats are found in animal and plant food sources. 1 gram of any fat type has 9 calories. Cholesterol only comes from animal food sources, but can be affected by fats from plant sources. Cholesterol is a necessary nutrient for health, but not essential because it can be made in the liver. As with sugar, if the body has metabolic or genetic dysfunction, blood levels of this nutrient can become unhealthy, causing heart disease, stroke, or type 2 diabetes. Of the 4 dietary fats, monounsaturated fats are the healthiest, as they can help lower cholesterol and they are a good source of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant. Our bodies can make fat from a variety of food sources, but there are essential fatty acids that can't be made in our bodies and must be obtained from food. Poly and monounsaturated fats are healthier options when trying to get essential fats in the diet. The essential fatty acids are omega-6 and omega-3. Linoleic acid is an omega-6, and ALA, EPA, and DHA are omega-3 fatty acids. The body cannot make these. They need to be taken in the diet. Trans fats are the most unhealthy fats, especially the artificial trans fats. These are commonly found in processed foods as partially hydrogenated oils. They raise LDL and lower HDL. They can increase the risk of developing heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. These are some basic facts on the complex function of dietary fats. Feel free to post any questions you have in the comments below. To your health and wealth.
Be sure to check all my links below to contact me, subscribe, shop, and join my team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. From my kitchen and wine cooler to yours, I wish you a bon appetit, to your health and wealth.